We've heard a bit about customers in the last few segments. Not surprisingly, customers will play a huge role in the success or failure of your business. Are they giving you money or aren't they? There are a few metrics you should keep in mind in terms of customers: loyalty, retention, and acquisition costs. Customer loyalty measures the performance of your customers. How often they purchase, how often they visit a site. Basically, have they made your product a habit? Customer retention then measures the number of users retained in a given time period. And this is particularly important for subscription-based models, which we'll learn more about later. You can calculate customer retention by taking the total number of customers at the end of the given period and subtracting the total number of new customers that you got during that period. And you divide that all by the customers that you had at the start of the period. Multiply that by 100 and you'll get a percentage. Customer acquisition cost, as the name implies, is how much you spend to acquire new users. You can calculate customer acquisition cost by taking the total acquisition expenses and dividing by the total number of new users in a given period. Now, what constitutes good for each of these metrics is really up to you. Obviously, a 100% customer retention percentage would be ideal, but it's also not very likely. You'll be referring to these metrics a lot later on, once you've implemented a monetization method and are looking to iterate on it. So take a moment to think about what success might look like for your product. You'll be referring to these metrics a lot later on, once you've implemented a monetization number and are looking to iterate on it. So take a moment to think about what success might look like for your product. What metrics might you use to measure customer loyalty? What percentage of customers do you reasonably hope to retain? Use this box to record your response.